How to link EA account to Steam. This tutorial will guide you through the process of linking your EA account to Steam. Connecting these accounts allows for a seamless gaming experience, enabling you to access your EA games through Steam easily. Follow these steps to ensure a successful link. So let's get started. So first, open any web browser you want to use, like, for example, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or any web browsers that are available on your phone. After you open any web browser, click the search bar and type ea.com. As you can see, mine is already on the website. Make sure that your account is logged out to do this tutorial. If your account is logged out, just click the profile icon at the top right of the website screen, beside the question mark icon. The menu appears. Just click the Sign In button to sign in to your account. From here, these are the social media accounts that you can sync in with EA. Since we are here to link the EA account with Steam, just click the Steam icon beside the Xbox icon. A new window appears. You just have to do the credentials so that you can link your EA account to your Steam account. If you already have a Steam account and an EA account, you can still sync them as long as both of them are connected to one email account, like Yahoo or Google. Linking your EA account to Steam enhances your gaming experience by allowing you to access your EA games easily. By following the steps outlined above, you can ensure a smooth linking process. If you experience any issues, refer to the troubleshooting tips provided. Happy gaming!